Hello friends, welcome to Overcome channel. In this video today I am going to share with you Bahrain school teaching job vacancies. If you are considering becoming an international teacher, this video is for you. Let's start the video. In URL you can put www.amais.edu.bh. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page of AMA International School Bahrain. In this main page, right corner menu available. In this menu, one of the option careers. If you click this link careers, you can get what are the teaching job vacancies AMA International School Bahrain. If interested, send your curriculum vitae to careers@amais.edu.bh. So first, what are the vacancies? Career at AMAIS, Vice Principal, Primary School. The qualification is bachelor degree and degree in education. Minimum 5 years of leadership experience in the primary level. Vice Principal Middle and High School, Bachelor Degree and Degree in Education, 5 years experience. Head of English, Bachelor Degree in English Language, Degree in Education, minimum 3 to 5 years teaching experience. Desired Head of Subject experience. Head of Mathematics, Bachelor Degree in Mathematics, Degree in Education, experience minimum 3 to 5 years. Desired Head of Subject experience. Head of Science, Bachelor Degree in General Science or Biology, Chemistry, Physics, Degree in Education, experience required minimum 3 to 5 years. Arabic teacher, Bachelor Degree in Arabic Language, Degree in Education, minimum 2 years of teaching experience. Original attested Bachelor Degree with original attested Degree in Education. So experience letter signed and stamped by previous employer. 2 recommendation letter, resignation letter stamped and acknowledged by previous employer. 4 passport copy picture, copy of passport. So these are the things are mandatory for Arabic teacher. Mathematics teacher, degree in the mathematics and degree in education, 2 years of teaching experience. So requirement also they are mentioned here. So make sure before applying, please check your skills, eligibility, requirement, qualification, job description, experience, etc. The next one is French language teacher, bachelor degree in education and bachelor degree in French language, minimum 2 years of teaching experience. English social studies teacher, bachelor degree social studies, degree in education, minimum 2 years of teaching experience. English language teacher, bachelor degree in English language, degree in education, minimum 2 years of teaching experience. And requirement they are given the original attested bachelor degree, the attested degree in education. Experience letter is signed and stamped by the previous employer. 2 recommendation letter, resignation letter stamped and acknowledged by previous employer. 4 passport copy picture, copy of passport. So these are the things are mandatory for the English language teacher. If you are interested these job vacancies, you can send your online application form. So please download and fill out the applicant data sheet and upload it alongside your CV submitted by end of the form below. So this is one of the online application form. This application form should take approximately 10 minutes to complete. So first we can check download applicant data sheet. If you click this link, you can get one online application form. So this is AMA International School Bahrain job application form. Please complete this form and submit it to the requirement personnel. If hired, this form will be the part of your permanent record with the company. So this is the applicant information form. First one is personal details, educational background, application references, training and seminar attended, family information, teaching position only, character references. Finally, you can give your signature. So these are this in the form. You can upload this form with your CV. In this form, 8 section in this form. Please ensure you have all documents ready to begin this process. The first one is applicant information. Which position are you going to apply? You can click here. Desired salary. Secondary position applying for. Where did they find the source of this job? References, awards and honors, certification, you can upload the file here. Personal data, educational background, application references. For teachers position only, you can fill this column. Character references, medical history, upload CV. So if you are going to apply, before that you can submit the application form with your CV. Once you have uploaded, you can give your declaration. Once you declare, you can submit your job application form. Once you have submitted, you can get acknowledgement via for future reference. So like that you have to send the job application form. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can share with your friends. Someone will be benefited. Please note that only shortlisted applicant will be contacted. If you do not hear from the school, please assume that your application has been unsuccessful. If you are interested in exploring our international teaching job, please visit our channel. I hope you can get a great job. Good luck with your job search. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.